next 3 nights I'm going to be staying on Skomer Island, which is off the west coast of Wales, and it's a nature reserve, so it's going to be completely off-grid, and we're going to be going and looking for puffins, and with any luck you'll get to see some freshly hatched pufflings, which they will hopefully be coming out in the next few days. And we'll be looking for lots and lots of other wildlife, and I'm going to be doing some videos of the things that we see so that you can get curious about what happens on a place as marvellous as Skomer Island.